coming to the prompt engineering. So yeah, as I previously told you, prompting is one of the crucial skill. So because the prompt can change the output from the GPT model. So if I write something different, that will give a different answer. It will if I ask a different question here, and then the AI changes, and it will give a different answer. So the prompting is very much required here, because if you are if you are if you want to unlock the full potentials of LLMs and GPT models and or chatbots, even chatbots are also be in the same case. So for this, the prompt engineering is very important. So based on the prompt, whatever you have provided, so that prompt can be give the best responses. So here you can see the prompt types and best practices. So what you have to do prompting, so how you can prompt it, and different type of prompting techniques. We can discuss on those things. And content generation. So in the content generation, we'll talk about documentation. So how you are documenting, and how you are creatively writing and more things. And the developer tools will have the GitHub Copilot. So yeah, maybe everyone in the current session knows about Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini, and maybe other AI tools, but they haven't used GitHub Copilot, or anyone from you people have already used GitHub Copilot, because every other GPT models are coming with a free of cost, but GitHub Copilot is not. So this developer tools are nothing but it's a GitHub Copilot where we can use that for accelerating the code. So for example, in the GitHub Copilot, you can give a prompt, and based on that prompt, it will design an application from scratch. It will give you a framework. It will give you a different type of solutions, so that you can directly integrate into your whatever I will use Visual Studio. So whatever the tool you are using, so in the Visual Studio itself, if I go with GitHub Copilot, and if I go to enter some prompt, and based on that prompt, if the GitHub generates some code, in the final step, I have one line of thing that include into our solution. So we can directly include into our solution by one click, so that it will be that folder or that file, or whatever the couple of files, or whatever it is, having 50 of files, 50 files in that folder. So everything you can include into your solution, and you can rewrite that. So this is this is the thing. The prompt engineering is very important. Why? Because this is the reason. So if you are working with coding, if you are working with any content creation, or writing some documentations, so your prompt is important here to understand the GPT model. What is your expectation? So based on that prompt, it will provide you the best outputs.